Today we're stepping up our knife game with the help of our new 5-pack of professional knives. They come shipped inside some nice packaging that keeps them safe during shipping. And inside, you have a 3.5-inch paring knife, which is good for smaller vegetables and fruits. A 5-inch utility knife, which is good for destroying your enemies. A 7-inch Santoku knife for fish and meat. An 8-inch bread knife for slicing bread. And an 8-inch chef knife, which is good for most situations. The handle is made out of a red pack of wood, and I love the way it looks. They're weighted well, feel good in your hand, and are durable. And you can trust me on that. I've tested it. Anyway, I like the design on the blade itself too. They look really sleek. And they don't only look nice, they're incredibly sharp too. Out of the box, they slice through paper like butter. Next, I used the knives to dice up an onion, and it handled it with ease. After that, I chopped up a watermelon for the chickens to enjoy. And that big chef knife made it really easy. Needless to say, I was impressed. My only complaint is that it doesn't come with a knife block. They look so nice that I want to put them in a place where I can see them. For now though, we're just keeping them in that nice case. But other than that, I'm really happy with these knives and can't wait to use them to help cook up some good meals. So if you're looking for a nice knife set, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go shopping for a knife block. See ya.